Hello and welcome to Uncle Tech channel. This is part 1 where we unbox the DDPAI Z40 dashcam, and part 2 will be the installation of the dashcam on a Mazda CX-5 2018. After unwrapping, let's start unboxing the main camera, which is very well packaged. We have the camera unit itself with specs as shown. 4 navigation buttons, with adjustable lens and plate for sticking it to the windscreen. On this side, we have the speaker output and SD card slot. Further into the box, we have another package which contained the extra double-sided tape. Installation manual and safety documentation. And this very interesting piece is called static sticker. It is very important to use this as it avoids glue residue from the double-sided tape on your windscreen. At the same time, it will also stop the dash cam from falling out after some time, if you stick it bare. Even further in, there is the long USB cable, plastic pry tool, and the cigarette port USB adapter. We will not be using this as we are installing hardwire kit. Next box, the rear camera. Here we have the long cable that runs from the rear to front. Extra sticker and installation manual. The rear camera. Much better quality than those cheaper rear camera you see being sold. Last package is the USB Type-C hardwire kit. A hardwire kit allows the camera to be connected to the fuse box. It enables the dashcam to keep running even when the car is turned off. Getting a good hardwire kit is important as it will cut off the camera power when your car battery charge is low. This avoids draining the battery. Here we have piggyback fuse for 3 types of fuses: standard mini and low profile mini. Instruction manual which shows the correct way to install the wires. The hardwire itself with proper label on the wires. In part 2, we will install this dash cam on a Mazda CX-5. So join me in part 2 for more exciting DIY stuff. Uncle Tech out.